Girl, I look like the peanut butter baby. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jasmine and today I am going to be trying the Meredith Duxbury foundation trend. I'm a little scared, but I am excited. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel, turn on post notifications so you don't miss another video from me. Give this video a like and leave a comment down below on your thoughts. So let's get started. Yo, I am scared. I am so scared for this, but I'm also very excited. I love trying new things. So if you haven't heard of Meredith Duxbury, she is a TikTok makeup artist, at least as far as I know, and she went viral for her foundation routine, where basically she applies a ton of foundation and she also uses her hands to blend it in. So I've never done this before, but I'm ready to try it. One thing I'm kind of scared about is I like to do my eyebrows before my foundation, but she does not do that, and we're gonna try to follow everything that she does and see how it turns out. I also haven't really seen many black girls do this trend, so I thought that I would try it today. So let's get started. If you haven't seen any of her TikToks before doing her foundation, I will insert one here. So she seems to use a very water-based jelly-like primer. I don't have the one that she has, but I do have the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. Absolutely love this primer. I'm sure if you watch my videos that you know this by now, but I'm just gonna apply this primer all over my face. Her foundation and her makeup in general always looks so flawless by the time she's done. So hopefully mine will look as flawless as hers does. Also, if you notice, I have some glitter on my face. I did have some makeup on before this and I tried to get it all off, but was not that successful. But yeah. So she uses two foundations. Today I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Pro Longwear Foundation. And I'm sorry, I said that completely wrong. Today I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Soft Matte Longwear Foundation. And I'm also going to be using the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. I absolutely love this foundation. I haven't used it in a minute, but yeah, I think I'm going to use the NARS one first. So where's my brush? So what she does is she applies a lot of it on the back of her hand. I don't even know how many pumps that is, girl. And then she kind of warms it up with the back of a brush. I'm already nervous. Let's just do it. So then she applies it onto her face with the brush. I think this is about all the foundation off the back of my hand. I got about all of it off. So now we go in with our hands and blend. Here goes nothing. Oh my goodness. Well, one thing I will say is it does maintain the coverage of the foundation. I'm gonna blend it down to my neck a little bit, over the eyes, just get in there. Oh my goodness. I'm looking at myself in my monitor. Oh my god. Get around those edges. Get in all the nooks and crannies, girl. Oh my goodness. Girl. I look like the peanut butter baby. And that's not it, folks, for the foundation. She uses a second one. She uses one that comes in a dropper. I believe it's the Catrice foundation, but I don't have that one. So I'm just gonna use my Fenty one. And we're just gonna, she applies it just directly onto the face. Oh. This feels like so much. Oh, oh my goodness, girl. Oh. Hopefully this is enough. And then she blends this out with a sponge, actually, not her hands. So I'm just gonna use this, the butt of this OPV beauty sponge. Just gonna blend that in. So now I guess we just do the rest of our makeup like normal, I guess. Wow, okay. Alright, so I'm gonna hop into concealer. I'm gonna be using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Instant Retouch Concealer in the shade 410. I think I might have gotten foundation in my eye. My eyes just got blurry. Oh my goodness. The thing that I'm the most scared for, to be honest, is my eyebrows. Because I like to use, if you watch my eyebrow routine, you'll see that I like to use Got2b gel. But real quick, I'm going to contour using the Fenty Matchsticks in the shade Espresso. But if you watched my brow routine, I like to use Got2b gel to, what's it called? Gel up my eyebrows before I put anything on. So I think that would honestly just ruin my makeup around that area if I put it on. So I'm probably just going to do it without that gel and just try to fill it in that way, I guess. But so far I'm kind of scared about how we're looking. I mean, I'm sure it'll come out good. Hers always comes good, or hers always comes out good, so not too worried. But you know, this is very, very different than what I'm used to. But girl, I like to do the underpainting method, which can also be really scary for people, so you know, it is what it is. I'm also kind of concerned about my eyeshadow. Today I decided I'm just gonna do like a glossy lid, a pink glossy lid look, because of fallout. I don't want to do anything that could have too much fallout possibly, so I'm just gonna do that. But she has incredible makeup looks. Like, her makeup always turns out so bomb in the end. So Meredith girl, I'm trusting you. To set my face today, I'm going to be using the Milk Makeup Blur. I'm so sorry if you hear a noise. Somebody in my family is using a blender. But today I'm going to be using the Blur and Set Translucent Powder. This is in the shade Translucent Medium. To be honest, I'm just going to use this powder on my whole face because it's very translucent and doesn't leave like a white cast like you think it might. And I think this is just the easier route because we're gonna have to do a lot of setting because of this foundation. So that my under eye is a little bit brighter, I'm just gonna use my Huda Beauty Easy Bake Loose Baking and Setting Powder, and I'm using the shade Kunafa, and I'm only gonna put this underneath my eyes, and I'm just gonna use a brush so that it's not too much. I'm not really gonna bake, but I'm gonna let that powder sit there for a second. I think I'm gonna put some above my lip as well, because these are the areas that I really want it to be bright. And in the meantime, I'm gonna do my eyebrows. And girl, I have a feeling my eyebrows are gonna take a minute, so I'm gonna do them and then come right back. Now I'm just gonna press in the powder. I will say, I do not like how my eyebrows turned out at all. I tried to do them for a minute and I couldn't really get any product through them because of all the foundation in my brows. They don't look terrible, but it's like, this is not how I do them usually. And I noticed in her video she doesn't have like super sculpted brows, so I'm probably just more high maintenance on my brows, but they're okay, like they'll work. But that's one thing I will say I do not like about this foundation routine, is that I don't really have much control over my brows. I was not able to get a pencil through them because of all the foundation, and then I had to end up trying to use some eyeshadow because I don't use pomade personally, so It was just a mess. It was a mess, but it's alright. I think they turned out like decent, like wearable. Now using my Juvia's Place Chocolates palette, I'm just going to go into the brown shade down here all the way at the bottom, and I'm going to use that to bronze up my face. Now moving on to my eyes, I just primed them with a little bit of the Juvia's Place Eye Magic Concealer in the shade 22, just a tiny bit. And for my eyes, I'm going to be using the Eloise, A Queen Lies in All of Us palette. I'm only going to use pretty much one shade. I'm just going to use, oh, here's what the palette looks like. She's really, really pretty. I'm just going to use Elizabeth right here, which is a really pretty pink shade. And I'm first going to blend that into my crease using the e.l.f. Fluffy Eye Blender brush. This is just going to be a really simple look. Oh, I didn't set it. I'm going to set my eye really quick with the Milk translucent powder that we used before so that everything blends smoothly, evenly, no issues. Now I'm just going to use this flat, fluffy blending brush that I got from CVS, and I'm still going to use the same shade Elizabeth, and I'm just going to apply this to my lids. So I just went ahead and smoked that on my lower lash line and also applied some of the NYX Jumbo Pencil in the shade Milk. And now I'm just going to apply my mascara and lashes. I'm going to be using the Milk Makeup Kush Mascara and then also the e.l.f. Foam Ink Lashes in the style Drama Queen. Okay, lashes are on. I don't think I put them on the best today. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but hopefully not. So now for the glossy part, I'm going to be using this lip gloss. This is just a clear lip gloss that I got from the beauty supply store. And I'm going to be using this flat E121 brush from Shop Miss A. It's literally just a flat brush. And I'm just going to, did I get pink on it? I think I did. I'm just going to put a little bit of lip gloss on the back of my hand. Dip the brush into the gloss, just a little bit, and I'm just going to apply that to my lid. For my blush today, I'm going to be using the, again, don't judge how dirty she is, but today I'm going to be using the Juvia's Place Saharan Blush Palette Volume 1. And today I'm going to be going into the shade Zane to kind of match with our eyes. And I'm just going to use a tiny bit of that because, again, these blushes are very pigmented. To highlight, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Diamond Balm in the shade How Many Carats. I absolutely love this highlighter. I'm sure it's reflecting a lot, but this is just a silver highlighter. I think this silver highlighter in particular looks amazing on dark skin. We don't always have to wear gold. Of course, it looks amazing on us too, but you can also wear silver highlighter if you want to, girl. And I just think silver goes a little bit better with this makeup look today. For today's lip combo, I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild eyeliner in the shade Simma Brown Now. This is an eyeliner, but I absolutely love it for my lips. I'm also going to be using the Juvia's Place Luxe lip liner in the shade Cola. I'm also going to be using the ColourPop Luxe lipstick in the shade Quickie. I'll show you what she looks like. It's just a nice nude lip gloss. I'm sorry, a nude lipstick. Duh. And then for my lip gloss today, I'm going to be using the Juvia's Place lip gloss in the shade Petty Betty. This lip gloss came in the came with the Wahala 2 palette bundle. I'm just going to set my face real quick using the ColourPop Pretty Fresh Setting Mist. And that is it for today's makeup look, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I actually really like how my skin turned out. I think everything actually looks really smooth, and I really liked how the coverage of the foundation looked after I blended it out with my hands. That was something completely new to me, but I actually like how my skin looks. The only thing I will say I didn't really like was having to do my eyebrows afterwards. I will forever be somebody that does their eyebrows before their foundation, so maybe for me, if I wanted to do this again, I would just do my eyebrows beforehand and just blend around them. But this was a lot of fun. I hope you guys like the look that I created as well. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on post notifications so you don't miss another video from me. Make sure you also give this video a like, leave a comment down below, and also follow me on all my social media. The handle will be on the screen and all of the links will be in the description box. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!